Good morning, dear children. Today we will start the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree. This morning, a cat got stuck in a tree. This morning means the very morning, very day. The poet was writing the poem. A cat got stuck in the tree in the garden of the poet's house. Now, stuck, you can see in the picture that the cat is here and she is not able to come down uh, from the tree. So the poet's dad is trying very hard to bring the cat down from the tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. Now dad was very confident that he can bring the cat down very easily. That said, okay, no problem, leave it to me, I will bring the cat down. The tree was wobbly. The tree was tall. Mum said, for goodness sake, don't fall. The tree was wobbly, which means that the tree was not very strong. The trunk of the tree was not very strong. It was moving. So, mom said, and tree was quite tall also. So, mother said, for God's sake, don't fall. Mom is saying to father. Fall? Scoffed Dad. A climber like me? Child's play this is. You wait and see. When Dad heard that my mother says, don't fall, then Dad said, Giru, fall? Huh, I'm not going to fall. I'm a very good climber. It's just a child play. Climbing a tree is a child play from me. Just wait and see how easily I'm going to climb the tree. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. Now what Dad did, he brought a ladder from the garden shed. Means was a shed in the garden, and there was a ladder kept in the shed of the garden. So he brought that ladder and he kept the ladder against the trunk of the tree. You can see in the picture also. And he went up, but he slipped. The ladder slipped, and the Dad had fallen on the flower bed. नीचे जो फूलों का क्यारी थी वो उसमें Dad उसमें जाकर गिर गए. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face, and his trousers and his shirt. This time Dad fall, he said, कोई बात नहीं, never mind, it happens. So he brushed all the dirt. उन्होंने अपने कपड़ों पे, अपने मुंह पे, चेहरे पे, फेस पे, बालों में, अपने पैंट्स पे और अपनी शर्ट पे जितनी मिट्टी लगी थी सब झाड़ी. ब्रशिंग द डर्ट मीन्स झाड़ना. We will try plan B. Stand out the way. Mum said, don't fall again, okay? Now, he said, A plan failed, no problem. Let us try the plan B. Stand out of the way. मेरे रास्ते से हटो. Again, mother said, please, this time don't fall, okay? Fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. Then fall again, Dad said. फिर से गिरूंगा. क्या मजाक कर रही हो? Then he swung. उन्होंने अपने आप को पेड़ उछाला, हवा में उछाला ब्रांच पकड़ने के लिए. पर जैसे ही उन्होंने ब्रांच पकड़ने की कोशिश की, वो ब्रांच टूटकर गिर गई. Dad landed wallop back on the deck. Mum said, stop it, you will break your neck. पर डैड फिर से गिर गए, बहुत बुरी तरह गिरे. बैक ऑन द डेक, नीचे फर्श पे गिरे बहुत जोर से. और मदर गॉट एंग्री एंड शी शाउटेड, स्टॉप इट नाउ, यू विल ब्रेक योर नेक. अपना गर्दन तोड़ोगे क्या? रबिश, सेड दैट. नाउ वी विल ट्राई प्लान सी, इजी एज विंकिंग टू अ क्लाइंबर लाइक मी. ही सेड, क्या बकवास कर रही हो? I will try plan C. Third plan I will try. That plan is very easy. It is very easy for climber like me. I am an expert climber and I can climb the tree very easily. Now let us see what is the plan C. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. Then he climbed the garden. There was a wall near the tree in the garden, and he climbed the garden wall, and but this time Dad didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. He gave a great leap means वहाँ से बड़ी जोर से छलांग मारी and he landed flat on the flat in the crook of the. Now see the crook part. Crook part is this part. This part is the crook part. You can see this point. This is the crook part of the tree, and Dad landed on the crook part of the tree where cat was sitting. Straight upon the cat. के बिल्ली के ऊपर ही Dad ने छलांग मारी. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. As soon as the dad jumped on the cat shouted and she jumped from the tree and on the floor. कैट ने डर के मारे चिल्लाई और वो जल्दी से ग्राउंड पे छलांग मार के कूद गई. And she was very happy. She was very very happy to be safe and sound on the ground. और वो बहुत खुश हुई सही सलामत नीचे ज़मीन पर आके. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor Dad still stuck up the tree. She was smiling and she was smirking. वो प्यार से इधर उधर घूम रही थी, स्माइल कर रही थी और अपने आप को प्यार से रगड़ थी, पर बेचारे डैड, he was stuck in the tree up there because he was in the crook part of the tree. So where the cat, earlier the cat was, now the dad was in the same position. This is all about the poem. Thank you.